Here we'll see the difference between two financial instruments, the fixed deposit and the mutual fund. There are some aspects in accordance with we'll see the FD and mutual fund, what they differ in the points. Risk and return. First point is risk and return. Generally, FDs are considered low risk and fixed returns, while mutual fund involves market risk and returns are not fixed. The second point is return potential. FD offers a fixed interest rate, so return is known in advance. Mutual funds can potentially provide higher returns, but they are subject to market fluctuations. The third point is liquidity. FDs usually has fixed term and premature withdrawal might result in penalty as they are less liquid. Mutual funds generally more liquid, allowing investors to buy or sell units on any business day. Fourth point, lock-in period. FDs usually has fixed term, but some mutual funds may have a lock-in period, especially tax saving funds, that is ELSS. Fifth point is diversification. FDs involves investing a lump sum in a single instrument, but mutual fund provides diversification by investing in a variety of securities and spreading the risk. Sixth point, tax implications. Interest earned on FDs is taxable as per the investor's tax slab. Mutual funds depends on the type of mutual fund and the duration of investment. Equity fund and the debt funds have different tax implications. Seventh point is inflation hedge. FDs, that is fixed return, may not always keep pace with the inflation, potentially eroding purchasing power. But depending on the type, mutual funds have potential to offer returns that outpace the inflation. Minimum investments in FDs can usually be started with a relatively small amount. In mutual fund, minimum investment amounts vary but can be lower than some FDs too. Purpose: often used for the capital preservation and stable returns. But mutual funds commonly chosen for wealth creation and potentially higher returns over the long period of time. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon when choosing between above financial instruments. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.